Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be decorating my catch-all planner, which is Beauty in Florals Classic Size Happy Planner. I am going to be using multiple sticker books today, so here we go. Let me pull those pages out and we will go from there. This is a classic size happy planner. So it's the medium size, and we're going to be using the black and gold, black and white, and the Hello Fall from Live Love Posh. I have been missing a black and white spread, so I'm going to be doing black, white, and gold spread. I haven't done those in a long time, so bear with me. We will create one. I've been really focused on seasons, and as lovely as seasons are, once in a while you want to do a different spread. So I pulled out those very functional but beautiful books, and we're gonna go from there. I started with a sidebar sticker, which is so gorgeous, right? With all of these like minimal decors in them. I really love it. And I'm gonna put this black and white sticker that says see the good in all things. Shouldn't we all try to do that? It's so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that. I'm going through the black and white stickers to decide what to put. I want to include some fun stickers in here for sure. So we're gonna do another one that says beautiful, capable, wonderful, lovable. Yep, all those things are very encouraging. So I'm now looking for some functional boxes that I can put. Let's use these. Let's use the gray and the black ones and create to-do lists with these, because this planner is super functional. So bear with me. Like I said, it's going to be a little bit of a challenge. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I really hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. You rock and you make my day every single time you do that. So welcome back. Let's get some planning done. So I'm placing all of these boxes. Like I said, I am going to be alternating them. So you have gray, black, and so on. So we need one more gray, and then I can start decorating. So I'm gonna also place small stickers that are going to encapsulate my work schedule in here, because that's pretty important for me to have the work schedule in here. But let's put the first black plant in here. So I was thinking of cutting the edges before I even place them, but then I decided that instead of cutting the edges, I can just take a kind of like an X-Acto knife. This is a safe knife, and I can go ahead and cut them once they're on a page. There we go. Okay, and then I can remove the excess, especially if I don't press the sticker down too hard when I'm placing it. It shouldn't be too stuck, right? Do you see how easy that was? And now it looks like it's coming from under there. I really like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing up here. I think that's gonna look pretty great. You let me know what you guys think. I'm always curious to see your opinions. So I wanted to use these. I know they're meant for Halloween, but I'm going to just use them for fall because they are leaves, right? Right. And I wanted a black spread, and black leaves are fine, I think. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I really don't know. Let's do this. Okay, so what else? Let's get the to-do list going, and then we'll go from there. So I'm going to use my sepia pen from Amazon. These are very inexpensive. This is a felt tip pen. They work great. This checklist is one of those like math whatever checklists. I got it on Amazon years ago and I found purpose for it and I love it, and I love the size of the circles, so I'm not giving up. And those are my bullet points, so I'm gonna draw these on every single day. Yes, I know, every single day. So much effort, but I think these will look great once I am done with them. Okay. Couple more pages, well, boxes, I should say. And then we will be Gucci to go. Okay, so it's Friday, Saturday, and then Sunday. I really love little bullet points. I have to-do lists every single day, you guys. I don't know how you are. The only days that I don't have to-do lists, if I come home exhausted and I decide not to do those things, but they just pile on onto the next day. And I am a classic overscheduler. So that means that I will pile things for myself on days that I know that I am busy at work and I still want to be productive and accomplished. And I have to remind myself that sometimes it's okay and your planner won't be checked off, and I'm gonna have to live with that. So it's a weird feeling not to be in control sometimes for me, but I'm learning to live it. So now I'm gonna do the work schedule like I said. So I'm gonna take these tiny black boxes and gold boxes and alternate them and add them to the spread as my work schedule. I hope this will work. Let's see how it does, but I think it will work. Let's see. So I'm gonna add another black one. Nope. Let's put the black one here and then put the gold on Thursday. Perfect. And then these have that little graphic detail from the black and gold boxes. I don't even know what to call it, but it's like almost like lines within a plant. They're so gorgeous. I don't even know what to call them, but that's what those are. I am looking for a box for Saturday because I have an event that I'm going to, so I wanted to include that. So I'm gonna do a gold one. So I don't know when I'm going to use gold again. I am kind of happy that these are not gold and these are like drawn gold, so they show up on the camera, because I have had issues with the foil gold showing up in camera. So these are not actual gold, these are just like yellow tone on a page. Okay, and I'm gonna cut these florals, which I love. I'm gonna put them kind of sticking out of boxes like this, like so. Yeah, I think that looks stunning. And I'm using the gray ones to bring in the gray boxes. Okay, what else? Couple more things that we need to add to fill in the spread. I think I need a couple more of these plants, maybe. So this one I'm gonna cut and see how that works. I think that's good. I think that works pretty well. So I have that cut, and then I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can add another one of these like really special plantings. When I saw this book, I was so obsessed with it initially, and then I forgot I have it. So there you go, that's what happens to me. I think that's the life in the 30s, where you have something and then you forget you had it until you find it again and you go, oh yeah, wow, that's great. So it was like Christmas. I found this book, I was happy, flipping through it, and then here we go. But see what I mean, where I said the gold is kind of hard to film? So that's the actual gold foil, and on the side, like on the 20th, that's barely showing up. Okay, I'm gonna add another box. Purpose versus passion, and with the same plants. I think these are so fantastic. And I'm gonna add maybe one more of these dark plants into this, but I need one more box for Wednesday maybe. So let's add this there to begin. Fantastic. It's motivational, it's gorgeous, I love it. So let's go ahead and add another one of these plants. And then that will be pretty much it. That'll be the end of the spread after this. I think this turned out great. I love black and white spreads. Well, in this case, black and gold. Let me know what you guys think about that one. It's a little different, I know. And I'm using way more books than I normally do. So let me know how you like the combination of this. And then I hope you guys have a great and safe week, and I'll see you soon for another plan with me. Thanks for hanging out today. Bye!